would like to help you solve a problem today that you might not even know you have, because that's the world we've come to, right? We're solving issues we don't even know exist, and that actually has to do with shirt collars and have them looking nice and sharp. So oftentimes, you might notice this when you get ready in the morning or you're looking in a mirror partway through the day, you see that your shirt collar is all kind of smashed down, right? And we don't need to live with this amount of suffering. There's a way to make it so it stands up real nice and looks sharp throughout the day. I'm going to show you how to do that. So there are two things that will really solve all your collar issues. The first are those magnetic collar stays. I've done a whole video on those. They're just metal collar stays with really powerful earth magnets. And so I have them in already. And this just snaps in, on this side, keeps the collar down so it's not doing something, goofy like that. So got the other side in. And this really takes care of half the problem, makes a big difference. It doesn't really take care of all this floppiness, and you can still just be annoyed that it doesn't lay cleanly. Even without a jacket on, a shirt just isn't laid properly like that. So another company has made this product called $1 Million collars. And these are just kind of slightly stiff inserts that go into your shirt placket. And I'll show you how to sew them in here in a second, or you probably want to have a tailor shop sewing them in. But that will just keep your collar upright and looking a little bit better. After you've moved your shirt, what we got to do is just open up the seam right there so that the $1 Million collar can fit in there. So it's actually pretty easy to do. However, I'd probably suggest just bringing it to a simple tailor shop and they can do it easier than you can. So I've already done this other side already. So you see that this is undone. This fits into the shirt like so. After it gets all sewn up, adds that stiffness right to the placket there. So I'll go ahead and throw this back on. We'll see the finished result. So there you have it. My collar now has the $1 Million collars in there, and it just looks a little bit smoother, a bit cleaner. You can now go about and solve these problems on your shirts you didn't know you had up until a few minutes ago. My dogs are very excited about my $1 Million collars. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. This is very, very excited. She wants some of those $1 Million collars. Yes, you do.